So let's go ahead and get started on our classic frozen margarita. But first I'm gonna give you a margarita basic and teach you how to salt the rim. So we can go ahead and cut our garnish here. With our garnish, we'll cut a little slit, and what we can do is we can put it to work and run it around the outside of the glass. Now, the wetter you get this, the more salt is going to stick, if you know what I mean. I don't know what I mean. Anyway, you just want to press it into the salt. I am going to clean up the edges a little bit. Tell no one. Just lime and salt. So good. With that out of the way, we'll go ahead and mix our drink. So let me go grab the blender. This is really tall with the cutting board. Hold on. I would recommend you make 2 servings. That's what the recipe is going to tell you how to do, just because the higher volume is going to blend a lot better. So let's go ahead and grab our ingredients here. I've got my orange liqueur. I'm going to use citronge. You can use any orange liquor, really. I mean, they're all going to make good, though slightly different margaritas, unless you're going like so low shelf that you're hurting your back grabbing it. And then we need our lime. Now, remember to start with your cheapest ingredients first, so that way if you mess up, then you can always just dump them out and lose minimal money. You know, no one wants to dump their drink, but it happens, it happens. In goes our lime juice. So now we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of our orange liqueur. Last year we need 3 ounces of our tequila. Should just put this off to the side. Like, this makes much more sense. So now we got our basic margarita. At this point you could add your ice and blend, but now I'm going to add my super special secret ingredient here. It's an avocado. Sound like that kid. An avocado! So you want to do 1/4 avocado per serving, but since I'm doing 2 servings, we're going to be 1/2 an avocado here. Boop. And if you're feeling a little spicy today, you can just hit it with a pinch of cayenne too. That's what I like to do. So just boop, boop, boop. Ba, ba, ba. Would you consider yourself spicy today? I'd consider you spicy today. Is that nice? I don't know. Let's go ahead and blend that up just so that there's no more avocado chunks before we add our ice, because that would be weird. The last thing that we're gonna need here is just our ice. Now, crushed ice is gonna work the best because you don't have to blend it as long, so the drink will stay colder. But any ice you have will work, and you can always make crushed ice. You know, you got a blender, that's all you need. So that's about 14 ounces of ice. So we're just gonna pulse the blender a few times and get everything nice and smooth. And that should be good. Real quick, before I dump it out, I actually want to taste it. That's good. I think I'm going to hit it with a splash of simple syrup here. Just make it a little bit sweeter. We can grab our glass here. Now we can pour our margarita. Oh, almost forgot. Gotta put our garnish back on. Green on green, baby. That's good. That's good. I love blended avocado drinks. I don't know if you ever had like avocado milkshake or an avocado smoothie, but they're good. You know, avocado's a fruit. This is also a lot more like desserty. I think you could get away with a lot more bottom shelf ingredients just because everything's blended together, and with the water and the avocado, it just really mellows any harsher notes that something cheaper would have. It goes down smooth. It doesn't really have the same tartness as a margarita would normally have. It has like all the sharp edges were just kind of filed down. Solid. If you like this, check out the complete margarita series on screen now or in the playlist down in the description, and subscribe so you'll know when my next series is released. Bye-bye now.